Okay, so let's talk through the chart on the previous page. So this is the chart. It's a strategy 1 trade. We're going to be working out if we have a $10,000 account with a 3% risk in each trade, how many currency units will we be trading here? So the stop and entry are as defined. And here is the ABCD. So the stop is at 1.0524 and the entry is at 1.0546. The risk is 22 pips, the difference between 546 for the entry and 524 for the stop. So how many currency units will we be trading here? Now this is US dollar against Swiss franc, so let's use the trade size calculator now. So we've got a $10,000 account, 3% risk per trade, US dollar against Swiss franc, USD CHF. Entry price is 1.0546, and the stop price is 1.0524. Hit calculate. And the amount we should be trading is 143,809 currency units. So I hope you got that right. Now if you go over to the next page, we'll go through another example.